One of the problems with Instagram for bloggers and marketers is the lack of options for adding links in either Instagram posts or in the profile. You get one single link with Instagram, and that's quite limiting. So over the last few years, a few solutions to the problem of the single Instagram link have appeared, and one of the latest versions of this solution is called Taplink. Taplink gives us the ability to add not only multiple links, but social networks, application forms, sign-up forms for emails, contact forms, and it also gives us what we call micro landing pages. Micro landing pages are almost like mini websites, which are launched directly from the single Instagram link that we get in our profile. That link gives us a great opportunity to connect with our audience in the way that they prefer to connect. So, for example, we can add a Skype button or WhatsApp connection or a Facebook Messenger button. You can also add a contact form. You can add links to your YouTube, Twitter, Pinterest profiles, and even other Instagram profiles. You can add videos, and you can also add in payment forms and HTML code. So if you've got some kind of funnel that requires HTML code to embed in another website, you can put it here. It's just a really great way to connect with your audience and sell more products or offer more opportunities for your visitor to know you better. You may have heard of Linktree, and there's link in bio. They all do a very similar thing, but I think Taplink's setup and interface is cleaner and easier to use. So let's take a look. So here's the one I've just created for Fat Frog Media. It's a fairly simple one. I don't want to make it too complicated. I've got a link to one of the latest blog posts here. I've also got a link to the website. It explains something of what we do. A link to the blog, a link to the YouTube channel, and a button that's a link to a free SEO audit. Now I can grab these and move them around. It's really just this simple. I can also add more blocks here. And we've got a bunch of different options: plain text, a delimiter which just adds in a line, an FAQ, which is great, a messaging app so I can put in WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger. I can add in a video. Other interesting features are the forms and payments, so you can take payments directly in the app, or a timer, so you could use a countdown timer for scarcity if you're selling a product. You can add another page which links from this micro page to another micro page, and you could literally go on like this forever. So there's a lot of options there. Up above we've got statistics, so you can see how many people have viewed your page. This is a brand new account, so not many. You can also check the leads if you have a lead form on the page. I haven't created one yet, but that's very simple to do. You can also change the design. I prefer to leave it the way it is. Very simple. And one important point is to give your page a custom domain. You can stick with taplink.cc/name of your profile or whatever name you like. It's a little bit ugly, and while it might not matter too much, it does look more professional to have your own custom domain. It's not too difficult to set up. What you need to do is go into the settings, go to custom domain, add in the new domain name that you've created. So don't use your main domain. We want something like link or go. I'm going to pick go, and I'm going to make sure in my DNS settings that I've got a CNAME, which is canonical name for this, which connects back to Taplink. Cloudflare, which is where I run my DNS. I create a CNAME called go, which points at cname.taplink.cc. Now when I click connect domain, it should connect straight up. This may take some time if you've only just created the CNAME record in your DNS settings. From now on, I can use this link, and I can use this link pretty much anywhere. What I want to do now is create a lead generation form so that people sign up for my email marketing. And what we need to do first of all is connect up the email marketing software. I use MailerLite at the moment, and it's pretty simple to set up. Under add-ons, just click on MailerLite, click publish, and it asks for an API key. I go into MailerLite and I look under integrations, and there's a developer API. Copy the API key, pop it back into Taplink, click activate, and it's on, it's connected. So now I can go back to the page, add in a block, add in a form, name an email, that's fine. Click on add-ons, and I've got MailerLite. So the new lead should go to the name of the group. That's everything I need there. I'll make this look a little bit better with borders and outlines and make it stand out, but for the moment I'm just going to leave it like that. It's probably a little bit long, so I might need to remove a few things from here. Alternatively, we can put a button here which goes to a new page, and then on the new page I've got the sign up for the email marketing newsletter. And there's a link below for Taplink, so you can sign up for a free account. Let me know if this was useful, and let me know if you're using Taplink or maybe you're using an alternative. I find it really good, and I'm going to continue using it even though I'm not a huge Instagram user. I do think it's important to have a presence and make yourself known on the platform. Okay, thanks for watching.